Holy crap!
Wow! That is awesome.
Oh my god! Look at all that.
You guys get rid of those things. They exploded in midair.
I'm a little bit you're about. No, you have to like light those matches. You have to like get them lit.
I don't know if we want to blow up their fence.
Let's even blow up the fence.
That's just a stick, or is that part of the fence?
Oh
It's
my
the
God.
stick that holds the fence up.
Cool. Good luck with that. Twist it
Let's
together.
put it in a glass bottle. Let it.
They've got the wise idea. They're inside watching. You know, I was like, yeah, this is.
If the glass breaks, they're
The glass breaks.
If the glass breaks, we're all gone. You know?
Or put them.
It's cute. Oh my God, this is gonna be too loud.
Oh.
I'm like so sorry. Oh god!
Please don't throw those anymore.
Oh yeah.
Bad sign when the stick gets wrong. I can't hear anything.
This stick is gone.
Holy crap.
Oh my God, where's the other part?
This one's quite loud.
Thank God.
This one's just your standard loud.
Oh, nice.
Gallo? Quiero gallo? Quiero gallo? Quiero gallo? Ah, that's just like that.
Oh, that's a mom firework.
No explosion there.
So were these fireworks expensive? I assume.
Depending on who featured the information.
What we've blown up plus these was like 14 of theirs. Of theirs. $2.
$2?
We spent 20. So we spent.
Yeah, I spent
Hey, can you put
$3.
those in a bottle? Never mind. Yeah, do that again.
Oh man.
We're gonna be sending smoke soon. That's a lot of smoke.
Our last one at the end.
You gotta like light it right away.
Oh, nice.
Is that a little
Soccer
one?
ball? Yeah, this is the one that spins.
Oh,
That one will do at night.
that's a house.
Woohoo!
Now, somebody's gonna have to volunteer, not it, to blow that thing.
Yeah,
Not
I'll
it.
do it.
Not it.
Not it.
Clint seems to be.
Can you imagine what I did when I was a little kid?
Surprised you still have all your fingers.
You go out and do things like that.
Go, 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 go! Oh, no.
I think it did it again.
Hang
Well,
on,
it's still going.
Yeah.
No, I see spark, yeah.
It's smoking.
There's still sparks.
I'm gonna go check on it.
There we go!
Oh!
That one was.
Well, at least we know that.
Ends up only we need a happy hour.
So we.
They're all
What's the
duds.
story on that one?
It's a smoke bomb.
Those are good, but this
Oh,
is.
back up.
That was Alexa.
That was quick, man.
Nice finale on that too.
That was
Nice
awesome.
big boom at the end.
What I started doing is just dropping the match underneath the wick. Not the whack in there and just drop it into there.
Yes, leave.
Fellows and fireworks.
I think the lady up in the church who sells candles up.
Run.
Oh my God.
Can I see the match?
I love how we're gonna have all of this on video. Nope.
Oh, not in the water.
I have to hold them.
No, it's still going. It's still going.
Gonna go.
There you go. It's fire.
Listen to the echo through it. That's
Yeah.
awesome. Can you shake it?
Whee! Guatemala.
You still have your arm.
Jose?
How many are in
That
here?
just,
I don't know.
probably until you, like... Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a lot.
That is a lot.
Hang on.
I smoke, sorry. Yeah.
They just shoot straight up. They go...
So much better here.
Where's that donkey?
It says Smoky King Seaborn.
That's awesome!
I love how it doesn't get old.
I would like 45. I'm gonna go buy some more tomorrow.
You want to do another one of those?